Hello friends, myself Vijay. Today we see the different departments in pharmaceutical industry. Pharmaceutical industry have multiple departments that is the production, the quality control, quality assurance. We see in detail all these departments. First one is the production, that is the manufacturing. This is a core department where medicines are actually manufactured. Key functions of the production persons work granulation, compression, capsule filling, liquid, ointment, injectable production. Responsibilities of the production is the operation of the different equipment. Either equipment are operated by the trained operators. Then also cleaning of the equipment are main function of the production department. The equipment clean are so there are type A cleaning, then type B cleaning. Based on the changeover of the product, we give the type B cleaning. If same products are clean, then we proceed with the type A cleaning. Then equipment before the execution of the any production related activity, uh, taking up line clearance is a responsibility of the production department. Then math manufacturing, then equipment cleaning log are filled by the production person online. Then training to the operators and casuals. Our work in the production department is the responsibility of the production department. Then compliance given for the audit, the EPNI change control is initiated back to the production department. EPNI division of initiation are responsibility of the production department. Then after the initiation of division trade, then change control and then investigation activities are responsibility of the production department. Then preparation of the SOP directed to production department is the main function, main responsibility of the production. These are all responsibilities of the production department. Production department mainly responsible for the all overall output of the product from the same plant. These are main responsibility of the products. Production department is a core department in the pharmaceutical plant. This is related to the from the dispensing to the dispatch of the product. All activity are related to the product department. All other departments are supporting to the production. Second is the quality control. Quality control responsible for testing of raw material. In raw material contains of the API, then excipients. Also, along with raw material, they test with the in-process sample, such as blend sample, compressed tablet of the finished product, and packaging materials are tested by the quality control. Also, responsibility of the SOPs related to the QC are prepared by the quality control department. Then testing of the in-process material, then in-process contain the blend, compressed tablet, finished products, then raw material tablet, then packing material is the responsibility of quality control department. Then preparation of CA. After the testing, preparation of the CA related to the raw material, excipient and API is responsibility of the QC. Then qualification related to the such as SPLC, then pH meter. All these instruments qualification are taken by the quality control department. Then key functions of the chemical instrumental analysis, especially GCEV, the microbial testing, sterility and indeterminate. Microbial testing is generally done by the QC for the swab sampling, then finished product sampling before the release. Then stability studies, stability studies execution are carried by the quality control department. Then release testing for the finished product are carried out by the quality QC. Then third one is the quality assurance. Quality assurance is responsible for ensures compliance with the good manufacturing practice (GMP). As per the WHO, GMP practice are followed or not is the main responsibility of the quality assurance unit. Then our activity are carried out in a regulatory compliance, and as per the regulatory guidelines is the main is verified by the quality assurance department. Compliance of the training is to be implemented before the training. Then handling of the review of the in a plant, just as the validation protocol, then qualification documents, then BMR, BPR are calculated by the quality assurance department. Then after review of before the release of the batch, all documents should be reviewed and approved, and all deviation OS change control should be closed. Handling of deviations, change control OS, and micro complaint are carried out by the quality assurance department. Then internal audit are performed by the then compliance to the intermediate is performed by the quality assurance department. In line clearance execution of line clearance manual sampling at different testing, then in-process testing are covered by the in-process quality assurance department, which is come under the quality assurance. Then handling of regulatory audits such as USFD, WHO are handled by the quality assurance department. Then validation and qualification activities. The different validation activities performed during the new product are carried out the subject in the compression, stratified sampling, then in a packing, just low speed, high speed setting of the parameter for during the validation are carried by the then qualification. If new instrument is installed, qualification activities are carried out now are monitored by the quality assurance department. Then internal external calibration are monitored by the quality assurance department. Then Doxel comes under the issuance of Oracle and Oracle of the BMR BPR documents are monitored by the quality assurance department. Then APQR preparation, APQR done on the yearly manufactured batch or preparation are carried out by the quality assurance department. Then fourth one is engineering and maintenance. Engineering maintains the plant utilities and equipment. The mainly function of the engineering is the maintenance of the plant utilities, which consist of the preventive and breakdown maintenance of the AHU. Then water systems, purified water, water point injection are maintained by the engineering team. Then calibration of periodic internal and external calibration are carried out by the engineering team. Then utility managers such as the compressor, nitrogen testing, yearly periodic testing are monitored by the engineering department. If any breakdown happens during the operation, during the manufacturing of the product, are monitored and rectified by the engineering department. Then warehouse handles the stores and movement of the materials. Warehouse is mainly responsible for the handling of the this is incoming material from the procurement to storage, that is a raw material, then expensive API, then packing material storage are done in a warehouse. Then key functions of the warehouse are the receipt storage of the raw material and packing material. After the manufacturing, kept of the finished product is the main responsibility of the warehouse. Then sampling coordination with the QC is a this is a in API sampling at the receipt API is further testing carried out by the under with the coordination with the QC, then inventory control for the API and excipient, then the finished product. Dispatch of the finished products are carried out by the warehouse person. Then dispensing of API and raw material are responsible to the storage material. Also, packing material are dispensed through the warehouse. Then microbiology. Then PCLR is for maintain for the microbiological quality. Key function of the microbiology is the environmental management during the returning environmental management of the GMP as per the class requirement are conducted by the microbiology department. Then sterility testing, water testing for purified water for injection are done by the microbiology department. Media preparation and growth promotion test. Then microbial, if any type B change or is there, you product to product change or is there. Type B cleaning is qualified. During the type B cleaning, microbial sample is collected. Testing of the microbial swab is a responsibility of the microbiological department. Then testing of the finished product before the release of the mass to the commercial product is a mass responsibility of the microbiological department. Then packaging department handles the after the compression and coating batch products tablets are packed in the packaging department. Handle of the finished product is the main responsibility of the packaging department. After the testing of the compressed testing only packaging activity is carried out. Line clearance before the packaging activities are done by the packaging department. Then in process testing during the packaging are carried out the packaging during the tablets are packed in different formulations such as a blister pack, then strip pack, then bottle pack. All in process check like this test are carried out during the packaging of the product. Then submission of the finished product after the packaging is carried out by the packaging product department. And then key functions of the blister and bottle packaging, labeling, sterilization. Then coordinator manage what blist- strips are filled in the carton or tablets are filled during the machine by the CVC machine, bottle packing machine. Then reconciliation of packing material is carried out by the packing department. Then regulatory approach is the submission of dossier to regulatory authorities is the main responsibility of regulatory department, that is ESFD. It is called product registration and approving compliance with the regulatory is the main responsibility of the regulatory approach. If any query response is received during the regulatory within the time period, resubmission to the regulatory is the responsibility of the regulatory approach department. Then validation qualification, process validation and cleaning validation, equipment qualification, IQPQ, requalification of the equipment as per the product interval, HVAL and utility validation are covered by the validation and qualification department. And IT is a given the HBNE access to the PC and provided access and removal of access to the PCs and equipment and instrument are covered by the IT. Then data entry system, data monitoring, data maintaining, manufacturing execution at the SCADA and automation support given by the IT team. Then HR, mainly HR role is admin, recruitment training, payroll compliance, employee welfare are wanted to the HR. Then AHS, safety procedure, audit, waste management, safety of the employee during the working environment are covered and monitored by the AHR department. Simple flow of where proceed the warehouse, then production, production of the QC, QA, packaging, release, and dispatch, or is the main flow of the pharmaceutical plant. We have summarized the today. There are different departments of the pharmaceutical industry working for the manufacturing of the medicine. That's containing the warehouse, then quality assurance, then QC, uh, production, QA, then IT, HR, and admin. All these departments are involved in the manufacturing of the medicine. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.